All right, what's up guys? Just me today. Got off work, kind of tired, but hey, I love fishing. So right now I'm rocking the one pole. I think I still got the blue ice on it. I'm gonna test out the waters. It's pretty windy out there right now. I'm checking it out. Got the pole, got the bucket, got the camera. So that's all I need. Catch you guys out there, see what we can get. I'm at least aiming for about 10. If I get 10, I'm happy. You know, sleep deprived. If I don't get 10, I ain't doing this again. All right, catch you guys out there. Woo! Man, I already got some technical issues, man. I can't even put this fanny pack on. I start losing some weight. Got the one pole, got the fanny pack. Had to take my car, you know. It is what it is. You guys ever get that feeling when you walk into the lake with your pole at hand and you know, it's just a good feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm liking it, man. Every time I walk to the lake, feels real good. Sorry for all the wind. It's like, man, I didn't say it was gonna be like this, but if I knew it was gonna be like this, I would never came out here. Jesus. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. All right. Hey, disrespect. Something like this. We'll put that right there. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm too fat. So, like I said, I got this. Got that blue ice. I think that's what it's called. You know what I'm saying? Throw it out there. They'll see it. No issues. A little first toss. You know what I'm saying? Little wind. Oh, is that one already? Oh, first cast, yo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yo, first cast. Yo, look at this. Ain't too bad. Yo, you guys not be getting fed out there. There's no way. First cast, yo, first cast. And I already got one, yo. There's no way. Second one, here we go. Second cast. Oh, ain't nothing. We good. It's just all that wind. It's all that wind, man, but can't do nothing about it. Oh, that wind's going away. Yo, that wind's going away. Here we go. Yo, this is it. This is it, fellas. I'm telling you. The wind calmed down a little bit. Oh no. Okay, I'll stop. Oh, you know, the maintenance guy ain't here today. Maintenance guy ain't here, so yo, I can't break off. I cannot break off today. Oh man, I bring my socks. Oh, I got these flip-flops. Oh man, I hope I can make something happen, especially when the wind's going that way. So I'm not really fighting the wind. Hoping something happens. Oh, he got off. No way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look there. Oh, come on, you duckies. Get out of here. Oh, look at that black duck messing with the white one. Get out of here. Yeah. You ain't got to spread your wings like that. You ain't gonna scare me. Boop. Right next to you. Boop. Let's go. This is it. This is the cast, man. I gotta get this 10. I gotta get this 10 rolling. I gotta get this 10 rolling, yo. I gotta get this 10 rolling. I can't even tell if that's the wind or if it's a fish. Oh my goodness. Yo, they don't want it no more, man. They might want the... Oh, there we go. What'd I tell you guys? Oh, what we got? Oh, he fighting. Oh, got me a crappie. Bring him on in. Let's go. These rocks. These rocks ain't doing me justice. Oh, there's too much drag. Too much drag for average. Look at that. Oh, I might get 10 pretty fast, actually. You ain't gonna tell me I've been out here for what? Not even 5 minutes. And killing it. Killing it. Woo, man, this is way better than live minnow. Live bait right now. Maybe because I've been fishing with live bait all my life. This is so new to me. Oh! Is that something? No, there's no way. No, okay. I was stuck. Woo, woo. Go ahead, throw over here. Hope I don't bust myself. Oops. Woo, that was a close one. See, I'm saying this wind is crazy. I can't like throw straight and then have a realistic, like, you know, guide. I can't really get like a good. Oh, what the? Yo, what the? Right here? Whoa, 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 buddy. Whoa, 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 buddy. What we got? Whoa, whoa, calm down. Whoa. No, stop it. We gotta land you. Oh no, I need more drag than this. Oh, whoa. Whoa, never mind, fellas. Look at this. Upper lip, barely. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Upper lip, barely. Yo, check this out. Check this out, fellas. Yeah. Oh man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, I don't know what it is with me and fishing. Me and fishing, you know what I'm saying? We got a good relationship going right now. I'm telling you, man. If it wasn't for this wind, I'd be getting like 30. I had like 30 by now. These guys are killing it. Oh man, don't get quiet on me now. Hey, don't get quiet on me now. Come on. Oh, I hit the sweet spot. Can we get something? Can we get something? Oh, there we go. Oh, you see this? Oh, yo, what in tarnations? Yo, come here. Oh, what is that? That's a bass. This is a bass, yo. Yo, come on. No rocks. Come on. Let's go over here. Come on. Let's go, baby. Come on. Get tired. Let's go. Woo! Woohoo! Yo, check that out, fellas. Look at this. Look at that, man. What kind of fish is that? Usually my brother tell me, but me, fish, right? All I know is you ain't a crappie. Hey, that was fun. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Bye-bye. Appreciate it. One thing I tell you is that I got dedication and time right now. I got time and dedication right now, yo. Throw that same spot, throw it right in front of your doorstep, and you gonna take it. You might not take it the first bite. First cast, second cast, maybe not. When I knock on that door the 100th time, you get upset. Come back. Ain't no fish. Like, ain't no way a minnow swim that fast. There's no way a minnow swims that fast. Come on, let's get the number 4. I should have just kept that bass. Add to the bucket, add it to the count. One step closer to 10, but you know, there's always that few fish you let go, especially when they're like non-species. Oh yeah, there we go. Especially not the species you want, but oh, you got a crappie. Come on now, stop playing. Bring you in. I am bringing you in. Woo! Yo, ooh, look at that set. Through the nostrils. Through the nostrils. Jeez, look at that. There's a little dink. Gotta release them in the bucket. But anyway, let's go ahead and go ahead and try to get another one. You know, I released one. I'll tell you what. Next one I'll release, if it's a dink or a non-species that I want. But every other one I'm keeping. Can't release them all. I don't know, but we're gonna find. Oh, falling. Yo, why does all this happen to me, man? We're gonna find out though. Hit it. Hit it. Yo, hit it. Come on. Oh, he got no. Oh, he hit it too. He hit it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. I'm not just throwing this coastline. Gotta get something. Just throwing this coastline. I guess I don't want them. Oh, ooh, I saw him jump. Oh, I saw him jump for it. Oh, it's a bass, yo. It's a bass. Yo, it's a bass. It has been. Oh, he jumped again. You guys saw that? Oh, oh. Woo, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jump for me, baby. Jump for me. Oh no. Alright. Sheesh. If anything, I can still get a bass to eat. Oh, he's a little dirty. Another bass, man. Liking it. So, here you go. Oops, belly fly. We rarely fish on the right side for crappie. I'm telling you, this crappie, it's a honey hole and no one fishes. But this wind, it's not doing me any justice. Oh, what's that? Oh, I got something. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a crappie. Yo, honey hole. Yo, he spawned out. Oh. Yo, remember the rules, fellas? I let go one, I keep the other. Got me a little snack, right? I don't say. Oh, back on it. Oh, what is this? Come on. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a donkey. That's a donkey. What do you think, fellas? That's a keeper. That's what we're looking for. So nice, clean, eatable. Woo! They're dead over here for real. Alright, let's do some far casts. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. Oh, from out there. What we got? Oh, we got another bass. Got another bass, fellas. Oh. Oh, jump for me. Oh yeah, yeah, it's a small one, fellas. That's a small one. Okay. All right, he's going right. Okay. Okay. Oh, why you over there? Why you over there? Come on, come back over here. Oh yeah, jump for me. Nice, 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 nice. Oh. He broke my thing. Oh, he broke it. Oh no. Why you go and do that? Right out. Right out. I did say I was going to keep the next one. I'll let you go. Give me a like and let him go. Give me a like for letting him go. We're back at the car, having some technical difficulties. The battery melted inside the GoPro, so I can't take it out. I got like 90% left. I caught about like 9, I caught 2 more, 2-3 more. After I was trying to change out the battery, I just kind of gave up. Hopefully my brother can take it out. That's crazy. That battery melted inside the GoPro. That's how hot it is. Especially when you turn it on so it gets hot itself and it melts after that, man. You never have a good day. Something always happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep on fishing a little bit. Probably fish for another 30 minutes. See what I can get, because I came here to fish, you know, and try to show you guys, you know, how much fun it is. But unfortunately I have to end it here. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my enthusiasm while being sleep deprived, and I'll see you on the next one.